Hello, I'm going to show you how to install mods in Euro Truck Simulator 2. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's install an ETS2 mod manually. First, download the mod and make sure the file is in the correct format, usually an SCS file. Alright, open your Documents folder, go to Euro Truck Simulator 2, and then open the Mod folder. If the folder doesn't exist, create one with the name mod. Now move your .scs mod files directly into this folder. Don't extract an SCS file unless the mod's instructions specifically tell you to. Once the files are in place, launch Euro Truck Simulator 2 and open the Mod Manager from the profile screen. Find your installed mod, activate it, and check its load order if you're using multiple mods. Finally, start the game and make sure everything works correctly. If the game crashes, disable recently added mods and check for compatibility or load order conflicts. And that's how you install mods in Euro Truck Simulator 2.